Hello everyone and welcome to the Stimulsoft YouTube channel. For the best viewing experience, make sure to check the video quality to 720 or higher. Today, I will show you how to assign a report to the designer in a Vue.js application. Run the project. As you can see, the report designer will start without a report to dashboard. Stop the project. Add a report template to the project, for example, a dashboard template. To do this, create a reports folder in the public directory. Copy the template to this folder using the command line. Open the component file. Import the Stimulsoft namespace. Create a new instance of the StiReport class. Load the template into this instance using the load file method. Pass this report object to the designer component using the report property. Run the project. Reload the page in a web browser. Now a dashboard will be loaded into the report designer. Click Preview to show the dashboard. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like our video and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye.